Hey there, health nuts. Today we're talking about a magical potion. Okay, not really magic, but close. It's apple cider vinegar, and it's been making headlines for its awesome health benefits. This humble liquid has been praised for everything from aiding digestion to boosting your immune system. It's like a Swiss Army knife for your health. You know me, I love anything that makes life healthier and funnier. And let's be honest, the word vinegar doesn't exactly scream delicious. But trust me, this stuff is a powerhouse in disguise. It might not win any flavour awards, but its benefits are worth the pucker. Think of it as a superhero in a salad dressing bottle. It's packed with acetic acid bottle. It's packed with acetic acid, which can help control blood sugar levels and even assist in weight loss. And that's not all. Apple cider vinegar can also improve your skin health thanks to its antibacterial properties. It's like having a mini spa treatment in your kitchen. Don't worry, you won't have to wear tights to use it unless you want to, no judgment here. Just a splash in your salad or a dash in your drink can do wonders. So buckle up, Buttercup, as we explore the wonderful world of apple cider vinegar and how it can make you feel fantastic. From detoxifying your body to giving your metabolism a boost, this little bottle is a game changer.
Apple cider vinegar, a simple yet powerful addition to your daily routine. Whether you're looking to improve your digestion, clear up your skin, or just add a little zing to your meals, this versatile liquid has got you covered. Let's dive in and discover its many benefits. From ancient remedies to modern-day health hacks, apple cider vinegar has stood the test of time. So grab a bottle and let's get started on this journey to better health.
First things first, what can this vinegar actually do? You might be surprised by the range of benefits it offers. Well, get this, it can help control your blood sugar. Yes, you heard that right. This simple kitchen staple can play a role in managing your glucose levels. That's great news for folks managing diabetes. Imagine having an extra tool in your diabetes management toolkit that's both natural and easily accessible. It can also help you shed those extra pounds. Incorporating apple cider vinegar into your diet might just be the boost you need to reach your weight loss goals. Who needs a crash diet when you have apple cider vinegar? It can be a simple addition to your meals, like in a salad dressing or a refreshing drink. Just kidding, always talk to your doctor before making big changes. It's important to get professional advice to ensure it's right for you. And hold on, there's more. This vinegar isn't just about blood sugar and weight loss. Apple cider vinegar can give your heart a high five by lowering bad cholesterol. Lowering LDL cholesterol can contribute to better heart health. Plus, it's like a spa day for your gut, promoting healthy digestion. A healthy gut can improve your overall well-being and energy levels. Is there anything this vinegar can't do? It seems to be a jack of all trades in the health department. Well, it probably can't do your taxes, but you get the idea. Its versatility is truly impressive.
Indeed, apple cider vinegar is a versatile health hero. Its benefits span across various aspects of health and wellness. From blood sugar control to weight loss, it offers practical solutions for everyday health challenges. And even heart health, it offers a multitude of benefits. Incorporating it into your routine could be a game changer. Remember, always consult with a healthcare professional before making any significant changes to your diet or health routine. Their guidance ensures you make the best choices for your individual needs.
Now I know what you're thinking. Is this too good to be true? I get it. We've all been burned by those late-night infomercials. You know the ones, promising miracle cures and instant results. But here's the thing, there's actual science to back this up. We're not talking about some fly-by-night operation here. One study showed that apple cider vinegar helped people with type 2 diabetes control their blood sugar levels. This isn't just anecdotal evidence, it's peer-reviewed research. Another study found that it helped people feel fuller for longer, leading to weight loss. Imagine eating less but feeling more satisfied. That's a game changer for many. And guess what? Researchers have even found that apple cider vinegar can help lower bad cholesterol levels. Lower cholesterol means a healthier heart and a longer life. See? It's not just hype, it's science-backed goodness. These benefits are real and measurable.
Science confirms what many have experienced firsthand. Apple cider vinegar is a beneficial addition to a healthy lifestyle. It's not just a trend, it's a well-documented health aid. With research supporting its various health claims, it's hard to ignore the potential benefits. From controlling blood sugar to aiding in weight loss and lowering cholesterol, it's clear that this humble vinegar is indeed a winner. So next time you're at the store, consider picking up a bottle of apple cider vinegar. Your body might just thank you for it. Incorporating it into your daily routine can be simple and delicious. Whether you add it to your salad, mix it into a drink, or use it in cooking, the possibilities are endless. So give it a try and see the difference it can make in your life. Vinegar wins indeed. Vinegar in my life, how to use it. Okay, so we know it works, but how do we actually use this stuff? Don't worry, it's not like you have to take a shot of vinegar every morning, though if you do, more power to ya.
The easiest way is to mix 1 or 2 tablespoons with a glass of water. You can add a little honey to sweeten it up. Drink this mixture before meals and you're good to go.
You can also get creative with it. Add it to your salad dressings, marinades, or even your smoothies. Just remember, a little goes a long way.
Vinegar danger zone. Use with caution. Now, before you run off and buy a lifetime supply of vinegar, let's talk about precautions.
Like everything in life, moderation is key. Drinking too much apple cider vinegar can be hard on your teeth, so make sure to dilute it properly. And if you have any health conditions, it's always best to check with your doctor before adding it to your routine. Remember, we're aiming for health benefits, not vinegar-induced mishaps.
Vinegar variety show. Picking the right one. Walking down the vinegar aisle can feel like entering a beauty pageant. So many options, but don't worry, I got you.
Look for raw, unfiltered apple cider vinegar. It should look cloudy with a cobweb-like substance at the bottom. That's the good stuff. Organic is always a bonus, but don't stress if you can't find it. Just make sure it's made from real apples, not some weird chemical concoction.
The final sip cheers to health with vinegar. So there you have it, folks. Apple cider vinegar, the unlikely hero of the health world. It's affordable, it's effective, and it's even a little bit funny, especially if you accidentally get some on your nose. We've all been there.
Remember, it's not a magic cure, but it's a great addition to a healthy lifestyle. So go ahead, add a splash of vinegar to your life and see the difference. And who knows, maybe one day we'll be sipping vinegar cocktails on the beach. Okay, maybe not, but hey, a girl can dream.